Switch off all electrical equipment and the ignition switch. Disconnect the ignition coil connector. Switch on the multimeter to the voltage position. Connect the black tester pin to the negative terminal of the battery. Switch on the ignition switch to the on position. Connect the red tester pin to the connector A pin. The measured normal voltage shall be 3.6 volt. Connect the red tester pin to the connector B pin. The measured normal voltage shall be 12 volt. Connect the red tester pin to the connector C pin. The measured normal voltage shall be 3.6 volt. Switch on the multimeter to the resistance position. Measure the resistance between the A and B pins of the ignition coil primary coil. The measured value shall be 0.42 to 0.58 ohm. Measure the resistance between the B and C pins of the ignition coil primary coil. The measured value shall be 0.42 to 0.58 ohm. Measure the resistance between the number 1 and number 4 cylinders of the ignition coil secondary coil. The measured value shall be 11.2 to 14.8 kilo ohm. Measure the resistance between number 2 and number 3 cylinders of the ignition coil secondary coil. The measured value shall be 11.2 to 14.8 kilo ohm. Install the ignition coil connector and clear the fault code with the X431 diagnostic device.